Hello friends, welcome to my new Java programming tutorial. Today we'll discuss about the ternary operator in Java. So let's move ahead and see what actually is ternary operator in Java. Friends, if you look into the syntax of ternary operator, you will see that there is one boolean expression followed by a question mark, then there is a expression, and then comes a colon, and then comes another expression. So here question mark and colon together, say these two symbols together make a ternary operator for us. So what the syntax suggests that if the boolean expression which is specified just before the question mark is true, here is true, then expression after question mark gets executed. Means if this expression comes out to be true, then true this part get executed, means that true part get executed. And if the boolean expression comes out to be false, say if this boolean expression comes out to be false, then expression after colon gets executed, means this part gets executed when boolean expression comes out to be false. So it's simple, say boolean expression comes out to be true, then whatever is after question mark gets executed and this thing get skipped. And if the boolean expression comes out to be false, then this part gets skipped and whatever is after this colon is executed. So friends, let's move ahead to Eclipse. So friends, in order to see a demo for ternary operator, I have created a class by name ternary operator demo, and in this class I have a main method which will be executed whenever we run the program. So I will code my ternary operator demonstration in this method. So what actually will code in this method, say we will ask the user to enter two numbers. We'll use ternary operator to find the maximum and minimum of those two numbers. So first we'll create a scanner object so that we can take user inputs. In order to use scanner, we'll first import it, and here in scanner, say in the creation of scanner object, we'll pass system.in, and this system.in is our input stream which helps scanner class to read something from the console. So first we'll ask the user to enter say two numbers. So here we'll prompt the user to enter the value of number 1, and we will take that value entered by the user into a variable, say number 1. So here scanner.nextInt just takes in whatever user has entered the value on the console and it assign it to the number 1 variable, and similarly we'll ask for the number 2 variable. So here after execution of these two lines, we will also get the user input for the number 2 variable. And now let's move ahead and see how we can use ternary operator to find the maximum and minimum value from these two numbers. So we'll create say two variables. We have created two variables, minimum and maximum, which will store the minimum of these two numbers or maximum of these two numbers. So here we'll use the ternary operator as first we'll calculate the minimum, that which number is minimum from the two numbers entered by the user. So now here if we look, then we can see that number 1 is less than number 2. This is our boolean expression. So we'll just put it into the brackets. So here this is our boolean expression, and if suppose number 1 is less than number 2, then number 1 is assigned to the minimum here, and if number 1 is, if this condition number 1 less than number 2 is false, then the value of number 2 gets assigned to the minimum. So now let's move ahead and calculate maximum. So maximum would be here, the maximum would be, say, if number 1 is less than number 2. So if this comes out to be true, then here number 1 would be our minimum value. So if this comes out to be true, the expression in these brackets, then number 2 will be our maximum value, and if it comes out to be false, then number 1 will be our maximum value. So it assigns either number 2 or number 1 to maximum based on the true or false returned by this Boolean expression. So we'll just print out the minimum and maximum of the two numbers on the console. So here we have just system out that the minimum of two numbers, number 1 and number 2, is the minimum value here, and similarly for the maximum we will just copy paste it below, and here it would be so. If we run the program, so for first it asks us to enter the value of number 1. Suppose we enter 5. Then it asks us to enter the value of number 2. Suppose we enter 6 and hit enter. So here it would be like the minimum of two numbers 5 and 6 is 5 and maximum is 6. So what it did, say for the minimum it took that 5 is less than 6. This thing came out to be true. So 5 was assigned to the minimum and this part was skipped. And for the maximum 5, it checked that 5 is less than 6. So this thing came out to be true. So it assigned 6 to the maximum and it skipped the number 1 expression. So friends, this was the demo for the ternary operator in Java.